Are you ready to sell your car? Getting the word out effectively is crucial in attracting potential buyers. With the power of the internet, the traditional methods like local classifieds and for sale signs just don't cut it anymore. In today's video, we'll explore the top online platforms where you can advertise your car for free, helping you maximize your reach and increase your chances of finding the right buyer. And what better platform to start with than Daiwame Cars? It's one of the leading websites for buying and selling used cars in Coimbatore. Daiwame Cars offers a user-friendly and intuitive platform for car sellers in Coimbatore. Whether you're looking for a quick sale or the best price, this website provides an excellent opportunity to showcase your vehicle to thousands of potential buyers. Here are a few reasons why Daiwame Cars stands out as the perfect platform to advertise your car. 1. Wide range of brands. Daiwame Cars caters to a diverse audience interested in various car brands like Skoda, Honda, Volkswagen, and Tata. This broadens your chances of finding a buyer who appreciates your car's specific brand and model. 2. Extensive collection of premium used cars. Potential buyers browsing Daiwame Cars are attracted to the quality and reliability of pre-owned vehicles. By advertising on this platform, you tap into a market of buyers actively seeking well-maintained premium used cars. 3. Streamlined selling process. Selling your car through Daiwame Cars ensures a hassle-free and convenient experience. The website offers easy listing options, allowing you to showcase your car's details, including price, mileage, year of manufacture, and additional features. This information helps potential buyers make informed decisions quickly. 4. Trusted by clients. Daiwame Cars has built a reputation for trustworthiness, exceptional quality, and dependability. With many satisfied clients, this platform attracts serious car buyers looking to explore their options. By advertising your car on this trusted platform, you can establish credibility and increase the likelihood of finding genuine buyers. 5. Fast and easy financing. Daiwame Cars goes the extra mile by offering assistance in crafting financing plans. Whether your car is competitively priced or falls into the high-end category, buyers can rely on the platform to provide insights and guidance on affordable financing options. When it comes to selling your car, online advertising is a game changer. Using the right platform allows you to reach a wider audience and maximize your chance of finding the perfect buyer. So why wait? Visit the Daiwame Cars website today at www.daiwamecars.in, daiwamecars.in, and start advertising your car for free. Make the most of this exceptional platform and turn your car selling dreams into a reality. Don't forget to subscribe to Daiwame Cars for more valuable tips and insights on buying and selling cars. Happy selling!